you are a jerk, a piece of work.
This mission you'll be blowing.
There's one thing about this castle here you surely should be knowing.
That once inside your magic's done,
Danger will be growing.
And if you meet the shadow axe, your blood it will be flowing.
You're knowing, it's growing, just blowing.
Oh, you're a foolish one, someone who should be shunned. You bugger up this land so much, your work is never done. And when we see you coming, we'll turn our tails and run. You are the lad we love to hate, you are a foolish one. It's fun to run, you're done. You aren't brave, you aren't strong,
Or even that imposing.
you have no magic helmet.
Or kilter leader hosen.
If danger were to rear its head, your feet would sure be frozen.
oh sorry wuss.
But nevertheless, the sword who has been chosen has frozen little hosen, imposing.
Oh,